Hello, how are you today, my friend? Yeah, from Merauke to Sabang. Yes, I hope very happy all. Yeah, my my friend and my family uh, Indonesian all citizenship. Yes. Now we meet again with Sandi Sularso Law Channel. Now we meet in Sandi Sularso video about content the last month. Uh, the last month many problem in Indonesia about economy up, uh, my my council in Jakarta many problem fight, uh, the all day about they not respond up salary my council. Yes, why the solution of the problem economic in Indonesia? Yeah. Economic government economic problem involve a range of physical policies. Yes, economic policies such as adjusting fixed and spending and structural problem including all generally fall into fiscal policy. Yes, the problem in Indonesia number one is a problem fiscal policy. Yes, fiscal policy in Indonesian government. All generally all into fiscal policy, taxing and spending and cultural reform about structure regulation in Indonesia about tax policy. I think yes, yeah. I think my Indonesian people not respond up salary my council development. Yes, Indonesian council not respond 1 month ago more and less. Yes, I think structure reform including all generally fall into fiscal policy. Yeah, yeah. Tax policy, general policy, my government. Yeah, my government, yeah, including all generally fall into fiscal policy. Yes. Number one, problem in Indonesia about money of salary my council not respond Indonesian people. Fixing and spending and structure reform culture regulation. Yes, reform culture regulation about tax policy, about salary Indonesian government. Next, Indonesian reform tax policy, salary, all Indonesian people government. Next, and monetary policy and monetary policy from government Indonesia. Indonesia must to reform government policy, especially salary up and tax regulation in Indonesia. You must reform tax salary to grow up. Indonesian people, all including to special regulation tax and salary in Indonesian. I think number one, the problem economy in Indonesia, salary, tax regulation, and cultural about action Indonesian policy. Yes, maybe all student from university about Indonesian theory about economic, yeah, cultural, and so on. Yeah. In Indonesia, many people study from grow foreign studies, maybe from England, from US, from Australia, from Singapore, and so on. Yes, many people clever about special economics student. Yes, I think Indonesia is good, but applied in social, I think not good. Similar in why you take science from foreign university. Yes, yeah, not including in Indonesia similar social in foreign university. Now, just I think in Indonesia special economic problem, yes, salary, economic problem government Indonesia, tax policy from government, and about culture and study from the basic study, grow up Indonesian people from doctor, maybe the people all people study, yes. I think all the people Indonesia, I think you must to recruit all the people Indonesia grow up again, grow, 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 grow together from Sabang until Merauke. I think similar science, yes, economic, very happy, all people in Indonesia. Yes, Indonesian people, I think Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, yes. Many people, but one of all many people in Indonesia. This is the key success economic in Indonesia. That is all, my friend. I think you must uh, grow up together, Indonesian people. See you again in my content, Sandi Sularso. Thank you.